done a little turn around. Hear the GTI screaming at me. Oh, hold on. Yeah. As I traverse through the maze of my estate. Sport on. So welcome back to the channel, everybody, for a cheeky Tuesday POV in the Golf GTI. Now it was meant to be yesterday, however, with our lovely British summer weather, poured down with rain. So as you'll have seen, we did the POV in the Golf R, and I'm going to try and go exactly the same route. You have to be lucky with people wandering with dogs on a national speed limit road. Well done, congratulations. And you have to be lucky with cars coming the other way because it's a single track road. Caution. Got the windows open again. Ooh, can't see anything. I think they've actually been out and cut this since yesterday, this bush. Can't see, can't see, can't see, can't see, can't see. Oh. So this was really a setup for the next video. I'll do the 2 POVs that I've done. I'll do a which car's best to buy, or which one would you prefer, something along those lines. Oh bloody hell. Oh. Single track, everyone, sorry, need to slow down. Although I do want to have a good video, I also want a car left at the end of it. Ooh. Chasing a pigeon, catch the pigeon. Okay everyone, as yesterday, this is Atcham near Telford. It's a nice road, it's a little bit uneven, but as there's no other cars I can go out into the middle of it here. This comes up quickly, so you need to slow. Remember that. Working well, I can feel it. Oh, it just swinging me into that corner. And then this is an up and over. Oh, bloody hell. Oh my god, it's just flying. Same as the R, this car just absolutely motors. It was a bit uneven here. Oh yeah, there it is, big bounce. Okay, and then we're into the bridge again. 30, good brakes. Oh, great brakes. So glad I had them changed. Grooved and drilled. Oh, oh. Yeah. It's winding me up and round a bit. It's trying to drag me through into where it wants me to be. I am being cautious, everyone. I'm not flying here because this car is so jittery. I know there was a big bump here, that was it. I have watched more of the videos, surprisingly, to try and get a grip of this road a bit. The R's always the tester. I always come in the R first, and if the R can give me a good signal as to what it'll be like in the GTI. There we go, got caught up with somebody. I've tried to let them get away from me a little bit, but I think I'll catch them quite quickly. Smeed. Okay, so we're coming back down again now. Done a little turn around. Near the GTI screaming at me. Oh, hold on, hold on. Yeah. Oh, it's so windy. Down, come on. Oh yeah, see, look, I'm just throwing it in here. I'm being very, very, very throwy. Because I remember this from yesterday now. And this goes into a 30 here, right? This is back to this 30 again, right? Okay. Down into the bridge. Cheeky one. Ooh, cheeky bridge. Then it's down, you can do a blast here. But then it goes back to a 30 here. See, I remember it well. I keep forgetting how good the brakes are. Okay everyone, now down into Bluebell Lane. Again, as you'll have seen from yesterday's, same as the Golf R. And this bit was a bit uneven, I remember that. The Golf R loved it, GTI's loving it at the moment. Oh, it's just waggling around all over the place. Now this is not a 30, this was just the tiniest 30 I've ever seen. That's why, it's because it's that turn there. Look at this bend. And then this one was a stick-in. Oh yeah, it is a stick-in, bloody hell. See on the video, you don't see that. On the R video, it doesn't look as sharp as that. Oh no. Okay, go. Yeah. Bouncy. Muffler delete's hissing at me. Okay. On we go. Again, the last bit, everyone, to home. This is the speed bit. Not many bends in this last bit, but it's so fast, this car. Going into slow bit here, and then we've got another slow bit here. Oh, see how much more this car you have to fight than the R. You just have to fight it so much more, you really do. And then again, this is where we film the quarter-mile drag. Speed, everyone. Gotta love a bit of speed. Okay, so as we come up to the turn in here, slow. Oh, listen to the exhaust. Yes, giving some lovely burbles. So stay tuned, subscribe. You'll get your free bag of pears that I'm sending out, 3 each, and then you will see the next video, which will hopefully be an idea of which one to buy, I reckon. So make sure you come back for that, and thanks for watching.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off